right. We got it running right, got it diagnosed. The timing was off. We reset the timing. We dialed in the carburetor with a vacuum gauge. The choke was never hooked up with 12 volts. It had a wire to it that wasn't correct. It moved out of the way from the wires that weren't being used anymore since it's been swapped to a carb. Set the timing for us. I already said that. It's running great now. Oh, also the springs, the return springs, I think were a problem. When I was messing around with it, I was able to get it to backfire, and it was running crazy. I know the return springs weren't strong enough, so I just moved them to the furthest hole back that I could on the mountain. It's doing its thing now. Ready for the customer.